The topic is finding derivatives using limit definition. So the definition is right here. The definition says f prime of a is equal limit of f of a plus h minus f of a divided by h as h approaches 0. So let's do example 1. Use the limit definition to find f prime of 3. According to the definition, f prime of 3 is equal a limit as h approaches 0 of f of a plus h. In this case, a is equal 3. So f of 3 plus h minus f of a, which is f of 3 divided by h. It's just the definition. And now to do that, we need to find first f of 3 plus h. So let's do that. Let's do it here. F of 3 plus h is equal, how do we do f of 3 plus h? Our input is 3 plus h, so we plug it into each x. Our function is minus x squared plus 5x. So this will be minus x squared, means 3 plus h squared plus 5 times x, and we replace x by 3 plus h. Now here we need to FOIL. So if we FOIL 3 plus h squared, we can use identity a plus b squared, so it's 3 squared, which is 9, plus 2 times 3 times h plus h squared. So it's always going to be first term squared plus 2 times first term times second term plus second term squared. Plus, I'm going to distribute the 5. 5 times 3 is 15, plus 5 times 8 is 5h. Now, I'm going to distribute the negative 1, so negative 9 minus plus becomes minus. 2 times 3 is 6, so 6h minus h squared plus 15 plus 5h. Now I'm going to go back here. F prime of 3 is equal limit as h approaches 0. F of 3 plus h, we said it's a minus 9 minus 6h minus h squared plus 15 plus 5h. Alright, minus f of 3. Let's do f of 3. Right here, f of 3 means plug in 3 into the function. So this is going to be minus x squared becomes minus 3 squared plus 5 times 3, which is minus 9 plus 15, which is 6. So I'm going to go back here and write 6, and then I want all of this divided by h. Now this is equal to, so f prime of 3 is equal to limit as h approaches 0. Now I'm going to try to, so minus 9 minus 9 here minus 6 is minus 15. Minus 6h plus 5h is minus 1h. And then minus h squared, and then plus 15. Everything is divided by h. Alright, now minus 15 plus 15 is cancelled also, so limit of minus h squared over h as h approaches 0. See, if we plug in a 0 for h, we're still going to get 0 over 0. So we need to factor the h and simplify it. If you factor h, you get minus 1 minus h divided by h as h approaches 0. Now get rid of the h. So f prime of 3 is equal limit of negative 1 minus h as h approaches 0. And now all we do is plug in the 0 for h. So you get minus 1 minus 0. So the answer is negative 1. And that's it for this example.